Hello everybody, this is Suyash Goyal signing in once again, and I hope you all are doing very well. So this is my profile. You can follow me on this link which is provided over there, and once again I request you all that keep asking. Please shoot all your questions, whatever you are having in your mind, any doubt which you are having in your mind, in the comment box. Okay, happy learning, keep asking. So moving forward, till now we have covered many type of sentences which we can just start speaking with in our daily life. Okay, and now we are going to discuss all the questions which can be formed keeping in mind all those sentences which we have learned till now. जितने भी हमने sentences सीखे हैं उन sentences को ध्यान में रखते हुए what are the questions which we can form, like we learned I am going. So the question can be am I action plus ing, that we will be discussing actually. So all these questions we are going to talk about in this lecture. So the very first type of question which comes to my mind is am I action plus ing. See, these are the questions which actually happens to us in our daily life. Like let's say I am speaking something in my class. and let's say the whole class is looking at me, and that too in a very mysterious way. They all are looking at me in a very mysterious way, and I'm like, am I speaking right? क्या मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ? Now this is the question which I'm going to ask to a friend of mine who is just sitting next to me. जो मेरे बाजू में मेरा दोस्त बैठा है उससे मैं पूछूंगा am I speaking right? And then my friend will say to me, yes, you are speaking absolutely right. My friend will say to me, yes, you are speaking absolutely right. तो ये क्वेश्चन मैंने फॉर्म किया, बट हाउ एक्चुअली आई फॉर्म्ड इट, मैंने इसको कैसे फॉर्म किया? तो सी, whenever I'm doing something, जब भी कुछ हो रहा है, जैसे कि हमने सीखा था, we learned in the second or third lecture, like whenever I'm doing something, the sentence would be I am action plus ing. How will I speak? I am action plus ing. Now the question for the same would be I am का am I हो जाएगा, I am का am I हो जाएगा, am I action plus ing, like here. Am I action plus ing. Speak is the action. Am I speaking? Speak plus ing. Am I speaking? Am I action plus ing. So am I speaking right? This is the question which I am asking to my friend who is sitting just next to me, and he said, yes, you are speaking absolutely right. Now second question, maybe we are going to a party. Generally girls के साथ ऐसा होता है, they are going to a party and they are just asking each other, am I looking beautiful, how am I looking, and all these questions. So the answer could be no, you are not at all looking beautiful. Okay, you should not say like this to anybody. You should say, yes, you are looking very beautiful, but just for a negative sentence sake, एक negative sentence बोलने के लिए I have just written it in this fashion that no, you are not looking beautiful. Yeah, you are not at all looking beautiful. Similarly, if we all are going somewhere and one younger brother of mine comes to me and asks me, am I coming with you? क्या मैं भी आपके साथ आ रहा हूँ? I can answer, yes, you are coming with me. Yes, you are coming with me. So these are the questions which can be asked in our daily life. Okay, moving on. Am I not getting good marks? You are very worried about your marks which you are getting in your exams, and you are asking your teacher, sir, am I not getting good marks? You are very scared, and you are asking, sir, please tell me, am I not getting good marks? So these are the questions which you can use in your daily life, and that is what I am saying, that just start speaking. Just try to use these sentences, these questions in your daily life. We are using very simple actions. We are using those actions which we actually use in our daily life. So please start speaking. So please try. Okay, just try it. Answer could be yes, you are not getting very good marks. हाँ, तुम्हें ज़्यादा अच्छे marks नहीं मिल रहे हैं. Am I doing wrong? This is also a question which I can ask. Am I doing wrong? क्या मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ? Yes, you are doing wrong. The answer could be yes, you are doing wrong. No, you are not doing wrong. The next question is, am I not getting the job in your company? क्या मुझे तुम्हारी कंपनी में जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है? Am I not getting? See, जब positive I want to ask, I simply said am I action plus ing. Now if I want to ask negative, I would say am I not. That's it. What would I say? I would say am I not action plus ing. Am I not speaking right? Am I not getting good marks? Am I not doing wrong? Am I not getting the job in your company? अगर मुझे इसी का positive, if I am to speak positive for the same question, I would say, am I getting the job in your company? And for the negative, am I not? Am I not getting the job in your company? And the answer would be, no, you are getting the job in my company. You are getting the job in our company. Am I not getting the job in your company? ये question है कि क्या मुझे नहीं मिल रही? Now, if I say yes, that means कि नहीं मिल रही है. Okay. And if I say no, that means कि जो question है गलत है, मिल रही है. So that's what I did. I said no. ये question गलत है. No. You are getting the job in our company. Okay. Now, the second type of question which can be asked is, are you action plus ing? Now I am asking you. Abhi tak I was asking you, but I was asking about myself. Am I doing good? Am I doing right? Am I coming with you? I am asking to you, but I am asking about myself. Now I am asking to you, but I am asking about yourself. Are you? Okay. So similarly, we used to say, you are speaking, you are action plus ing. And if I am to frame the question for the same, then it would be, you are की जगह are you. It would be, ये जो you है ये यहाँ, ये you यहाँ आ गया और ये are जो है यहाँ चला गया. Okay. So are you action plus ing. So the first question can be, are you going to the party? And the answer can be, yes, I am going to the party, or no, I am not going to the party. Okay, तो what I did, ये you जो यहाँ पे आता था पहले हमारे सेंटेंस में पहली जगह पे यहाँ पे, वो you यहाँ आ गया है, और are जो यहाँ आता था वो are यहाँ आ गया. Simple it's. Okay, it is very simple. Are you going to the party? Are you action plus ing? That's it. The second question is, are you doing BTech? No, I am doing BCA. Now answer could be in many ways. No, I am not doing BTech. Yes, I am doing BTech. No, I am not doing BTech, but I am doing BCA, or simply no, I am doing BCA. I am not doing BTech. Okay. Similarly, the next is, are you doing your homework? Are you action plus ing? Are you doing your homework? The answer would be no, I am not doing my homework. How would I say? No, I am not doing my homework. Moving on. Are you not talking on the phone? Now it is interrogative. It's a question as well as it is negative. Okay, यहाँ पे not है. तो I am asking, are you not talking on the phone? क्या तुम फोन पे बात नहीं कर रहे हो? Now if I say yes, that means negative वाला जो है वो सही है. मतलब are you not talking on the phone? क्या आप फोन पे बात नहीं कर रहे हो? If I say yes, then it means हाँ नहीं कर रहे हो. And if I say no, then it means कि कर रहे हो. Okay, तो are you not talking on the phone? Yes, that means नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो yes, I am not talking on the phone. Okay, yes, I am not talking on the phone. The next question is, are not you climbing mountains? Are not you climbing mountains? The answer is no, I am climbing mountains. No, I am climbing mountains. Now there's a difference between this question and this question. Now you can clearly see that in this question I have written, are you not? Okay. And in this question I have written, are not you. This is the difference. Here I have used are you, and then I've used this not. This not. Okay. And here I have used this not here. That means are not. This is are not. Okay. This is are not you. So actually both the ways are right. You can speak in any way. That's okay in spoken English. Whatever way you are using, that is completely alright. The only matter is you should be fluent while you are speaking. You should say, are you not talking on the phone? Or you can say, are not you talking on the phone? That's okay. Both the ways are right actually. Okay. So you can speak in any way. That is why I have mentioned both the ways, this and this. That's okay. So are not you climbing the mountains? No, I am climbing the mountains. Are you not making the drawing? Are you not making the drawing? No, I am making drawing. Okay. The next is he, she, action plus ing. Similarly, she is going. That is a sentence which we actually used to speak. हमने बोला था when we were just starting up with these lectures. तो यहाँ पे we are framing the questions for the same. So in the same way as I told you, he is going. Then is he going? Okay, isn't it? So similarly, is he buying a new car? कैसे बोलेंगे? Is he buying a new car? And the answer would be yes, he is buying a new car. कैसे बोलेंगे? Yes, he is buying a new car. Is she going to parlor? No, she is not going to parlor. Is he talking to the teacher? Yes, he is talking to the teacher. Then I have, is he not going to picnic with friends? Yes, he is not going to picnic with the friends. The next question is the negative one. Is not he playing cricket in the park? Now that is also okay if I ask is he not, and that is also okay if I ask is not he. So is not he playing cricket in the park? क्या वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा है पार्क में? Yes, he is not playing cricket in the park. The reason can be anything. Maybe he is injured or maybe anything. Is not she swimming? क्या वो swimming नहीं कर रही है? No, वो swimming कर रही है. No, she is swimming. And the last we have, are they action plus ing? Like we said, they are action plus ing. Then the question would be, are they action plus ing? Are they playing football? Yes, they are playing football. Are they not talking to her? Yes, they are not talking to her. Are they coming here? No, they are not coming here. So this is how we can frame the questions for the sentences we learned before. Okay. In this way, we can form n number of questions and we can answer all of them. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much. This is Suyash Goel signing off.